Don't overthink. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan, where I oversimplify life. And so this video is about not overthinking, because you probably don't know this, but when you overthink, you can turn on all parts of your mind. You can turn on envy, you can turn on anger, you can turn on resentment, you can turn on frustration. Those are the kinds of things you can turn on, and unfortunately, that's what we do naturally. We turn on all the parts of our mind that cause us to feel bad, and we do that 80 to 90% of the time. And the reason why we do this is because if you think of a movie you've watched recently, you could be sitting there watching a movie, and the director is taking you through a whole emotional experience, and they can turn on all the different parts of your minds. They can bring awareness to the different parts of your mind. It could be the anger, the envy, the frustration, the happiness, the joy, all the different parts of your mind. And so you need to know that, because if you overthink things, you might turn on all kinds of different parts of your mind, and it causes confusion and chaos. It's good to think about things, but don't overthink. You know, here's the thing. My mentor, Bob Proctor, when I met him years ago, he taught me something, and he taught me, how the mind works, because we don't know how the mind works. We don't have a manual. We have a manual for, phones and for cameras, hundreds of pages on how to use them, yet we don't have a manual for this, which is our most powerful tool at all, ever. So we don't have a manual to use our mind, yet we have one to do all sorts of technological things. But here's the thing. The mind is those different parts. It's those different parts that we can bring awareness to. And we can actually control it. When we learn how to program it, we can program our mind like we program a computer. We can put data in, and then when that data goes in, it can produce the kind of results that we want or don't want. So we have to be really careful about that. We don't want to be thinking about things and bringing awareness to different emotions that are going to turn on aspects of our mind that cause us to remember experiences that we didn't like. That's not a good thing. Agreed? So overthinking can really do damage. Just think about something, think about what you want, focus on it, write it down. Writing it down really makes a difference, because once you take it out of here and put it somewhere where you can see it and look at it and realize what it is, then you can do something about it. So my message to you today, don't overthink things. Just focus on what you want, keep your attention on it, and then look around and look for opportunities for those things to come to life. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, go over there and check it out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.